So today we're going to check out 3 prime lenses for the Sony APS-C camera bodies. That's the Sigma 16mm 1.4, the Sigma 30mm 1.4, and the Sigma 56mm 1.4. Alright guys, we're gonna get straight right into it. Right here I have set up my Sony a6500, and attached is a Sigma 16. That'll be the first lens that we test out. And later on, I'm gonna switch out the lenses and put on the Sigma 30mm, followed by the Sigma 56mm. And I'll be standing about, I don't know, 10 feet away from the camera. Here's my little marker point right over here. And I'll control the camera using my iPhone right over here. So you can see that I'm moving around. And I'll stand in position to test out the focal lengths of each so you can see. And then really all I have to do is push that button. Boom, took a photo. Pretty cool. Boom. All right, let's get to it. So here we are with the Sigma 16mm. As you can see, it's a nice, beautiful wide shot. And because it's shot at f1.4, there is a slight shallow depth of field in the background. Moving on to the Sigma 30mm 1.4. As you can see, the background is a bit more compressed, giving you that beautiful shallow depth of field cinematic look, but is still wide enough to capture the whole scene. For the Sigma 56mm, the background is a lot more compressed, giving you this beautiful, creamy bokeh in the background, and ideally makes this the perfect portrait lens for Sony APS-C camera bodies like the Sony a6500. The next few clips are shots of the color checker in the frame so you can check out the color rendering of each lens, but also you'll see how each focal length compresses the background. Bokeh. Okay, my nerds, enough with the photos, onto some video footage. Overall, the autofocus performance of each lens are similar and are pretty good. Not quite as fast as native Sony lenses, but really, really good for third-party lenses. So now we're going to take it back to the studio and we're going to test out the motor noise of each lens as it tries to autofocus. Overall, I absolutely love the Sigma Trifecta. The build quality of each lens is pretty solid, and even though they're light lenses, there's good quality glass in each lens, giving it a little bit of weight. Here are the technical specs of each lens, so take it for what it is, but overall, these lenses are robust, have that signature Sigma glass inside, performs well with Sony APS-C bodies, and produces beautiful, beautiful, beautiful images in photos and video. So there's a reason why I'm calling this the Sigma Trifecta, is because you have prime lenses that cover a good range of focal lengths. You have your wide-angle lens, which is your 16, you got your medium lens, which is your 30, and then you have your telephoto lens, which is your 56. Now, these lenses are meant to be together, so much so that Sigma actually has a carrying case where you can actually carry all 3 prime lenses right here. Pretty cool. Right over here, you have the longest of the 3. This is the 16mm, right over here at the bottom. The second longest is the Sigma 30mm, which is right here in the middle. And the shortest of the lenses is the Sigma 56. So cute. Look at that. So there you go, my friends. You have the Sigma Trifecta, the Sigma 16, the Sigma 30, and the Sigma 56mm 1.4. Big thanks to Sigma for letting me borrow these lenses. I will make sure to send them back safe and sound. I won't toss them up. I probably shouldn't toss it like that. All right, guys, much love to you, and I'll see you in the next video. You guys look so snuggly in there. Just, you know what, I love you all differently, but all the same.